All right, welcome back. Let's jump right in. We got this keyed slider, just a couple of extrudes. It's a tier 2, it's in grams, and let's go. We're going to make a sketch on the, let's extrude it right on the right plane there. All right, now this is symmetric. I'm going to actually kind of work it around like this. Yeah, we'll do that. And we'll do the symmetry in the sketch. All right, so overall height for that bottom portion is 45. And let's see here. We've got this dimension here is 10. All right, so I think what we'll do is just jump right in and take all of this stuff and mirror it over the vertical reference, and then we can give it some full information here. So we got a width of 65. We can add a dimension here as 25. We've got the angle in here as 65. And that should be everything we need. 65, 25, 10, 45, and 65. And we'll extrude it for a depth of 140. Okay. And let's see which way we're going. That looks good. And then we've got on the center, we're going to extrude on the front plane, and this one will be in a symmetric extrude. And we've got, let's see here, let's do a rectangle starting all the way at the left with a height of, okay, so we don't have the overall height of just that rectangle, but we should find out the height of that rectangle added onto the base. Could have done math, but I do enjoy using the dimensions that are meaningful. So 99 here for that width. We're going to add another rectangle, and we're going to clean a bunch of these rectangles up in a second. Yep. We're going to add a circle here and here. We're going to have to do a lot of cleaning. Okay, so this diameter is 17. And we're going to add a dimension for this. But, oh, it is a radius. Perfect. We want that radius to be 22. And overall height to the center of this radius is 73. Okay. So now we got to do a lot of cleaning. So we'll use the delete segment tool, and we'll kind of get rid of all of this stuff in here, and that one, and that one. Beautiful. We're left with the dimensions we need, and we can extrude that symmetric for a width of 45. And that should be it if all of those numbers are right. That is a little small screen I'm working with up there, but it looks really good. So let's see how we did. Generate, repaint. Let's try 474 grams and see how we did. Beautiful. All right. So if we go back to this one, pretty straightforward, just grabbing the dimensions we wanted. I used the mirror tool in the sketch. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Take care.